Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation will be pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and here tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So just mark it and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I'll remove everything. Here we've got the time range. So just tap on the option and choose the one that you like the most and then tap on delete data. And we just got back. As you can see here, we've got the information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.